Essentially, they are offering a lot of campaign and ad dollars to these particular influencers.
And what is up, guys? Technicals here. So, salad, very popular right now, obviously. Saw that tweet yesterday from the GOAT, Soat himself, son of a tech, sort of saying that salad is a money laundering scheme of some sort, shouldn't promote it, whatnot. First of all, he claims that they tried to approach him to advertise or something. Salad, where the hell is my advertising? I want money, okay? I've been doing this shit for free. I don't post my salad link in any of the videos. I removed all the links to salad from all my videos, but I don't post my code, and I've said in videos before, like, you don't make anything from it. So I'm about the views. I think I've been abundantly clear. I'm about the views. I want channel growth. The money is really inconsequential in this sort of realm. I don't expect to make any money until I get an amount of subscribers that I'm likely never going to get. So the claim is that salad's some kind of money laundering scheme. I have no idea. I have not seen that claim before. I do know that salad's been around for many years, sort of popped up during my hiatus from mining. So I had no idea. This is the first time hearing about it. I'm not sure how they're laundering money, something with gift cards or whatnot. But as far as my position goes, before the mining cult community, whatever, the tide turns and everyone decides that they hate salad and salad's some kind of big scam and it's unethical, and anyone who promotes it, or the next Trayvon James, or who was that BitConnect guy? That it was him and Crypto Nick. I'm not getting paid from salad. The only thing I'm getting paid from salad is what I'm chopping, what I'm mining, so to speak, just like everybody else. So I'm making salad videos because I want subscribers, views, essentially. That's the reason I'm making salad videos. So I'm not aware of any tomfoolery going on from Salad's side of things. I haven't spoken with anyone from Salad. I know some other creators are having conversations with the devs and whatnot, but I haven't heard anything. I'm still gonna make salad videos because people are interested in salad, and it is paying more than crypto mining. And another thing I've been abundantly clear about in my sort of, not just my mining journey, but in general, is, I got a pretty far line. I don't care where my money comes from, as long as it doesn't expose me legally to anything, which maybe so. If Salad is doing something, if they're being bad boys, then maybe there is. I don't know. I haven't seen anything like that though, and I think that it's pretty clear. I think it's pretty clear that if they are up to something, I don't see it. And until there is some sort of official charges or, kind of proof, I guess, then I'm just going to carry on because, what happened to do your own research in this space? Is it the responsibility of tubers or influencers to, kind of baby everyone through this, especially in a space like this? Do your own research, not financial advice, and that's why everyone says that over and over again, because there's this thinking that you have to baby everybody through everything, or you're responsible. Hey, look at this thing. Oh, you're the one that told me to look at that thing. You're responsible if I make a mistake using that thing. No, fuck that. So Salad is making money. It's making more than crypto mining. It's using the same hardware as crypto mining. So I'm going to highlight it as an alternative until it goes away, which it looks like it's not doing great. The figures are going down. But there are people out there who have this hardware sitting around and not making any money. They spent money on it. They invested in it. So if you can use it to get money, albeit through gift cards, a lot of those gift cards have high liquidity, like, they're MasterCards or PayPal or Amazon and things like that. Yeah, there's a high fee, but, I'd rather pay 10% of something and then, 1% on virtually nothing. In the end, it's still more money. So that's why I'm going to highlight it. That's my take. If they're doing something unethical, I haven't heard about it. I don't see it. And if it is, as long as I'm legally protected, as long as you guys are legally protected, I don't really give a fuck. You know, that's for them to figure out. Now, if that changes and something comes out and they're grinding up fetuses to make protein shakes, maybe there's a problem there. I don't, you know, if it's that in particular, I don't really care about that either. But, you know, again, if something comes out, then the tune will change, and you'll be damn sure I'm going to talk about it. But until then, I'm cool in the gang. I'm peachy keen. So let me know what you think in the comments below, because the crypto cult community, it's really just the same like 50 or 100 people that comment in every single video. Love you guys. But, you know, what are you guys' thoughts on the whole salad thing? Do you not like it because it's not crypto, or do you care? Or are you just nothing it? Are you just whelmed by it? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like this video. Thanks for watching all the way through. Don't hate me. Don't hate the player, hate the game. That's apt, I think. It's an apt thing to say. Anyway, I'm the Technical. See you next time.